Now in this week's video I wanted to share with you how I keep my Jeep and motorcycle headlights looking brand new. Because of sun damage they get a little bit of haze to them every now and then, and every few months I take a little sponge applicator and Meguiar's PlastX Restorer and just quickly polish them up, keeping them looking brand new. Now the reason I picked the Jeep lights to show this video is these are Harley lights, and it's also called a Harley Edition for Jeeps, but you'll see them on a lot of Harleys that are aftermarket parts, and they install them. They're really good at night, and I just like the way that they look. So I thought it'd be a good video to show both car headlights and motorcycle lights as well. So I hope you enjoyed this week's video, and hope this helps keep your motorcycle clean as well. Now the items needed are gloves, the lens cleaner, an applicator or a sponge, and then a lint-free towel. And for the sponge I like to use something that's medium soft, not real soft. Now the paste that I use is Meguiar's PlastX. It's a clear plastic cleaner and polish. Works the best for me. I've tried different types, but this one seems to be the best. And then the applicators that I like to use, I get the tire applicators, which you can get at most auto parts store. And if you'll notice, there's a blue side and a black side. The blue side is the harder sponge, and the black side is a softer. So I do like to use the harder one. And then I use the shop towel to clean after I put the paste on, and it leaves the headlight with a nice shine.